then he's gonna tilt it to the tilt it forward.
見ます。
You have to look at the mark carefully. It's gonna cut all the way to the front and forward. You see how 1 millimeter above. So first you wanna cut upon.
でこれも反対側は見えないので、
You cannot see
あ
the
のこの
back side.
半分ぐらいまで
So you stop at in the middle.
こう叩いていってください。
And that's the you up until you don't see the saw line.
で必ずこの真ん中ぐらいで止めとくことで
And
すね。
then please stop in the middle, like right in the middle. Don't go all the way down. Up, chin.
こんな感じですね。
Just like this.
でそれからま
And
たこうやっ
then
て
you
沿わ
slide
せ
it
て
slowly.
こう取っていく。
And then you remove the next little by little. That's the whole thing. Do you have any question?
Yeah, as soon as we start, I'm sure.
はい、ちょっとやってみてからまた質問
やってみてください。
はい
そしたら